Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In this video we are going to learn how we can remove these card sections, this card icon from our Shopify store. So let's move on learning. So first of all we need to go in our Shopify backends, themes, then click on three dots. After that you need to click on edit code. Next you need to find the assets folder on your Shopify, and here is the asset folder. Then you need to find the base css. Here at the end of base css you need to paste a piece of code that I will provide you in the description, so it will remove or hide the code sections from your Shopify header. So here is the code. I'm going to copy it. I will also provide the same code, you can try it by yourself. So I pasted the code, click on save, and it will remove the card sections or card icon from your Shopify store. So here is the card sections. I am going to refresh it and it will remove it from here, as you can see. That's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more interesting video like this one.